Hi, Dakota. I wanted to leave you audio and visual feedback on your favorite ice cream flavors project. So this is what you have submitted. I'm just going to take you through some corrections that are necessary because you did not complete the entire project as the directions stated. So I thought that this would be very helpful to you to fix and resubmit to earn full credit. So your data is great. One of the directions was that you were to merge and center A1 to C1. So we're going to click and drag to select A1 to C1. And then up under the home menu, we're going to click on merge and center. And it makes A1 to C1 one big cell. And then you were to fill in that with a light orange color. So again, on the home menu, the fill, which is the paint bucket button, we're going to drop that down and we'll fill that in with a light orange. Okay. And then you were to resize all of the columns to fit the widest entry so that you see the flavors are cut off. Mrs. Horton's name is cut off. So if you move your mouse between column A and column B, you get this plus sign with arrows and you double click, it will resize to fit the widest entry. Again, move between column B and C, double click, it fits Mrs. Horton. Column C and column D, double click, and it fits Mrs. Dumas in the column. And you're going to click on A2, hold in your mouse, don't let go, and drag down to A10. So again, click on A2 and then drag down to A10. You're going to fill this in with a light blue. And you're going to click on B2, drag over to C2 and down to C10, and you're going to fill this in with a light gray. Okay. Now, your chart is fine, but you are missing the teachers' names on the chart. You're also missing data labels, a legend. So what we're going to do is we click on the chart, we click on this plus sign, which is chart elements, and we're going to add in data labels, which puts in the values for each of the columns. And we're going to put in a legend. And then this tells me that the orange is favorite ice cream flavors for Mrs. Horton, and the gray is favorite ice cream flavors for Mrs. Dumas. The last couple things that were missed is in cell A11, you're going to type in total. In A12, you're going to type in max. In A13, min. And A14, you will type in average. And we're going to do some calculations. So in cell B11, we're going to do the calculation equals sum, parenthesis, and we're going to add up using the sum function B2 to B3 to B10. B3 to B10. And you're going to press enter and it's going to add them up. In cell C11, you're going to do the same thing, equals sum, parenthesis, and you're going to select C3 to C10, and it's going to add them up. For max, we're going to use the function equals max, and this is going to find the highest value in the column. Again, we're going to select B3 to B10, and it's going to pull the highest value, which is the 6. We're going to use equals max over here in C12. Again, we're selecting C3 to C10, and it pulls the highest value among these. The function equals min is going to find the lowest value in B3 to B10, which is 1. We'll do that same thing in C13 equals min, and we'll find the lowest value, which is a 2. And then the last function is going to be equals average, and it's going to take the numbers in B3 to B10, add them up, and divide by the total number of numbers in the set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's going to take the total divided by 8. Same thing over here, equals average. And the very final thing before you're ready to submit again is to select A11 to C14. And you're going to fill this in with a light green. Okay, I hope this little video helps you make the corrections to fix and resubmit for a higher grade. If you are still having difficulty, please don't hesitate to email me to ask for help. I would be happy to help you.